Okay, guys, we've just drilled a hole in this tire. Stick around. We've got Cyrus here, my 12-year-old nephew, and we made a video recently called Tire Plug Motorcycle Flat Repair. It's on our channel, so if you want to make sure to subscribe, hit that bell for the notifications. You're going to see some great videos. The video that we made had over 6 million views, and people seem to have a lot of interest and comments. Well, one of the things they told us that we did it wrong, and that we needed to tie a knot, or actually twist the tire plug so that it did make a knot. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to see if that really works today. So we're going to get this tire plug inserted, and we're going to make sure that we give it a nice good twist, or even a couple, and stick around. You're going to want to see the end of this. So we're going to have Cyrus go ahead and put this plug in and get it all the way in there. Okay, now first of all we're going to take a look. He's twisting this now, and so we're going to make sure we see what's happening in here. So we're twisting it. This is supposed to make a knot. Alright, so that's plenty of twist. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out now like you're supposed to. Step on this, alright, yank it out. Okay, so we've got this tire plug in here, guys. Looks like it's supposed to be, that's supposed to be the knot from twisting it, and we're gonna see if this theory works or not. Alright, Cyrus, go ahead and grab that and see if you can basically, oh, let's see it, bring it on over. So there you go, guys. That does not make a knot. And that basically just pulled right out. And so if you have a fear of your tire plug coming out, it can come out because there is no knot. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stick around for our next couple videos. We're going to make a series. And I promise you, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel because you're going to see how to make a knot in a tire plug. And you're going to see how you can prevent that from pulling out. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.